These air hydraulic quick lift service jacks from Strongway have powerful air motors that lift your heaviest loads, making them ideal for lifting farm vehicles, heavy-duty machinery, industrial equipment, and more. Both the 35-ton and 22-ton jacks have an efficient trigger push button that reduces lifting time in a compact design that easily fits between tandem axles. A mechanical spring return automatically resets the ram back to the minimum starting height. And the 3-position pumping handle makes it easy to reach under vehicles with low overhangs. Large 8-inch rear wheels and an extra long T-handle allow for easy positioning and portability. Get powerful lifting for your heaviest equipment with these air hydraulic quick lift service jacks from Strongway.